Welcome to our YouTube channel. Clipping images. Let's start our lesson. Fist. Open the Adobe Photoshop software. Clipping path and background removal are essential techniques in Adobe Photoshop, commonly used in graphic design, photography, and e-commerce to isolate objects or subjects from their backgrounds. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform professional clipping path and background removal in Adobe Photoshop. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. Launch Adobe Photoshop and open the image you want to work on. Two. Select the pen tool. The pen tool is commonly used for precise selections. Select it from the toolbar on the left or press P on your keyboard. 3. Create a path. Zoom in on the image for better accuracy. Start creating a path around the object or subject by clicking to set anchor points. Use as many points as needed for a smooth and accurate path. Four. Close the path. Once you've outlined the entire object, close the path by connecting the last anchor point with the first one. Five. Make a selection. Right-click on the path and choose Make Selection. Set the feather radius to 0 pixels if you want a sharp edge. 6. Copy and paste. With the selection active, press Ctrl+C, Command+C on Mac, to copy, and then Ctrl+V, Command+V on Mac, to paste. This creates a new layer with the selected object. 7. Work on the background removal. Select the new layer, and use the eraser tool, E, or a layer mask to refine the edges and remove any unwanted background. 8. Fine-tune the edges. Use the Refine Edge tool for more complex edges. You can access this tool by right-clicking on the selection and choosing Select and Mask. This allows you to adjust the edge, smoothness, and feather of the selection. Nine. Finally, save this image. Save the image, PSD, white background, or PNG, transparent background. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks you for watching.